This morning we're going to take a quick look around this townhouse in Balcon de Benavista. It was originally a 2-bedroom townhouse, but it's been cleverly renovated to create a great 3-bedroom family home or holiday property. So as you enter, you've got a cloakroom to your left and a nice bright kitchen to the right with a hatch through to the dining area. Understairs cupboard just there to your left, which is great for storage and where you can keep your cleaning utensils. The water heaters are also in there. You go down the steps to the living room. Beautifully decorated. It's got a very homely feel about it. A real home from home for the current owners. Log burning stove, and out to this idyllic terrace. South facing, so catches a lot of the sun during the day, with some shaded areas as well, which you appreciate in high summer. So as we come up the stairs into the master bedroom, got air conditioning and a ceiling fan in here. Lovely big room with its own private terrace. Just see the swimming pool through there? It's just at the end of this block, so very close to the house. Lots and lots of wardrobe space, and an ensuite with a walk-in shower. And then we've got the 2 guest bedrooms or children's bedrooms, depending on what you need. They've both got double beds in them, but could easily have single beds for a child, or perhaps even a desk to make one of the rooms into a study. Always useful when you're doing some work from home. And those 2 bedrooms share this family bathroom.